मैं दिखा देती हूँ। तो ना अकेले आना चाहिए था वीडियो।
चुप कर। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, इट्स मी योर हैप्पी सोल। आप लोग सब कैसे हो? आई होप यू ऑल आर सेफ एंड डूइंग ग्रेट। एंड आज मैं बहुत दिन के बाद आई एम ब्लॉगिंग, आई एम शूटिंग। और एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ी बिजी थी। आई वॉज बिट बिजी विद माई लाइफ, so that's why I couldn't vlog, I couldn't make any videos. But today, after so long, actually I am off, I'm not flying, and my friends are also at home, so we thought of, like, you know, going out and have a little bit of fun. And yeah, so we have decided to go for a lunch today. We all will go for a lunch. So that's why we thought ki okay, we will go to a Rajasthani restaurant to have a thali. So yeah, we all decided. So we are gonna meet up in half an hour. So I need to get ready. So once I get ready, I'll see you guys and I'll show you the restaurant and the environment of the restaurant and everything. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. And come, let's go. Hello guys, मैं हो चुकी हूँ ready. अब मैं निकल रही हूँ और नीचे मेरे दोस्त सब वेट कर रहे हैं, तो आई विल गो। और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने इंडियन अटायर पहना है क्योंकि मैं इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट जा रही हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आज इंडियन अटायर पहनूँ। और तो चलिए चलते हैं। सो गाइस, फाइनली हम अभी ऊबर में बैठ चुके हैं और एज यू कैन सी कि एवरीबडी इज देयर, यू नो हर, शी वाज ऑन माय लास्ट वीडियो एंड शी इज मिस क्वीन। और इधर और एक है, ये और एक बड़ी क्वीन है हमारी। नो, आई टोल्ड यू राइट अबाउट यांजी द लास्ट इन माय वीडियो, सो शी इज द वन।
It's me.
एंड
What about my channel?
आई टोल्ड यू, नो गाइस, मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ऑलरेडी मैंने दे दिया है her channel. Which is your channel? Rupali Bhaskar is her channel, and her channel is Yanzi Yolmo. So I have already put it in the description. So again, I will put it in the description. Please go and have a look. And if you like them, please subscribe. Of course, you will like these two beautiful ladies. So we are on our way to Kesaria for a lunch, and it was her birthday, actually day before yesterday.
She is gonna give us a treat.
She's giving us treat.
Are you giving us a treat? Oh my god. Oof. That's why you guys are taking me. That's why we invited you. So that you give a birthday treat. That's why you are invited.
Yes, Nazish, you forgot?
Yes.
ऐसे कैसे तो बच्चे?
You guys are so smart, right?
Yes, of course. अब पता है ना तुझे? पिलाने पे बताना था।
हाँ, ये लाने से बनाना था कि it's your birthday treat. So
शक्ल पे तो यही है ना?
So
yes.
once we
But it's
reach
closed.
Kesaria,
Why is it closed, yeah?
No, it's not closed. I called them.
ऐसे क्यों लगा है? ये पीछे का रास्ता
आई थिंक ये पीछे का रास्ता। फाइनली हम केसरिया पहुंच गए कि जो पहले जो एड्रेस था वो गलत था एक्चुअली, तो हम वहाँ पहुंच गए थे, बट उन्होंने फिर एड्रेस चेंज किया, तो फिर हमने फिर दूसरी ऊबर बुक करी एंड वी रीच्ड नाउ फाइनली टू केसरिया। भी हमेशा शुगर नहीं खाती, बट कभी भी जब चाय पी रही हूँ शुगर है।
I'm not sweet tooth.
हाँ, मैं भी नहीं।
So once in a day, if you're taking tea, I can't take it without sugar.
हो गया नाजिश, तू ऐसी क्यों शक्ल बना ली है?
My tummy is crying badly.
क्या?
My tummy is crying badly.
टम्मी कैसे क्राई करता है बताइए तो?
Badly, I can't say it.
कैसे? चुप कर। द बेस्ट पार्ट इज लाइक कि जो बात इंडिया में है ना, इंडियन कल्चर में, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट। व्हाट डू यू से, राइट? हाँ, सही बोल रही। But you guys are laughing. But the best part is, yeah, Indian culture is so good. Like you know, आपको ये जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी सिर्फ इंडिया में ही मिलेगा और कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला। तुम लोग मेरे साथ लंच में आए हो, तुम लोग कैसा लग रहा है?
और ये पूरा सूट वूट पहन के आई है।
स्पेशल।
अच्छा एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं तो आ नहीं रही हूँ।
नहीं, but don't you guys feel special?
एक्सक्यूज मी, बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
बनने वाली हूँ मैं, है ना? अपकमिंग ब्लॉगर। दाल बाटी चूरमा is here.
Everyone is busy.
So you can see, and it looks so good, and I'm sure it will taste good as well. So guys, I don't know how to eat this dal bati churma, but my friend told me that you just need to add this dal here,
And even if you add
and then add what? Everything, huh?
not
Ah,
curry.
the churma. Okay, so this is churma. So we added this here.
Thank you.
That's it. Nothing to add, huh?
Curry.
So then you mix this dal and churma, and then you eat it. So it's like that. So if is there any Rajasthani viewers, so please let me know if I'm correct. कैसे लगा? It's very good because first time I'm trying Rajasthani thali, so it's good. I like it.
कैसे लगा?
It's nice.
And you?
Guys, the best part is this hat. It's so good. I loved it. तुम लोगों ने नहीं पहना?
This is the best part.
This is so good. This is so good. So guys, ये लेके चले क्या? And पता है ये नहीं ऐसे भी ना इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में खाने का एक मजा है कि ना ये मिलता है खाने के लिए। This is the best part है।
शादी वादी में होता है।
शादी में हाँ। मैं तो टिश्यू पेपर डाल लेती थी पूरा डाल के, और हमारे उधर रेड वाला भी मिलता था ना। हाँ, तो उसको टिश्यू पेपर डाल के पूरा घर लेके आती थी मैं उसको। सुपारी भी होता था।
ये ऐसे ही लोग होते हैं जो पूरे रेस्टोरेंट का ये जो सोप है ये खा लेते हैं।
Thank you. Thank you. Finally, we are done with our amazing lunch with my friends. Good part is when you have lunch with your friends and you spend time with them, that is more important. I think life is too short. You can say life is too short, so I think. No, I'm saying that life is too short, right? So it's better you enjoy your life with friends, with boyfriends, with husband, with mother-in-law, father-in-law, whoever it is, with your parents. But live your life. That's it. Guys, ये तो बताओ कि तुम लोगों को लगा कैसा आज का लंच, जो हमारी नाजिश मैडम ने हमें ट्रीट दिया अपने बर्थडे ट्रीट पे।
मस्त था, बहुत अच्छा। I like the food.
यहाँ से कम
Tell the review.
और गाइज हमारा एक्चुअली ना ये 4 जो पलटन है, ये 4 का पलटन नहीं है, 5 का पलटन है। एक हमारी रह गई है इंडिया में रह गई। तो वैशाली आई हो कि तू जब आएगी तो हम सब साथ में आएंगे।
Yes, of course. अभी
और
हमें
दाल
तो
बाटी
सफारी
चूरमा
भी जाना है।
और तब तू ही पे करेगी, ठीक है? I reached home 1 hour back and just took shower. One of my friend is here and she's looking at me, but anyway. So yeah, I just took shower and I got freshened up. Then you guys might be thinking that what is there on my face? It's nothing, it's just a Colgate, because my mother told me that if you get a small pimple on your face, so you can apply Colgate. It really helps, and actually it helps. I'm not sure about the acne, but yeah, small pimples, if you apply Colgate, it actually helps. So girls, if anybody has, you can apply, you can try. And yeah, so today the day was amazing. We really enjoyed, because it's very rare that everybody are like off, we are not flying. So yeah, so it was amazing. And the Rajasthani cuisine, and I would like to tell you guys that this is my first time I tried Rajasthani cuisine. I have never tried, so but I liked it. And I love to try all the other country cuisine as well. Wherever I go, I always try their cuisine, because I want to experience, I want to know what is their food, what is their cuisine. So yeah, but being an Indian, this is my first time I tried the Rajasthani cuisine. There are a lot of cuisines which I have never tried, like Gujarati cuisine I haven't tried, and also there are a lot of, I don't remember now. So by looking at them now, I feel like, oh, I should visit Rajasthan, because I've never been there. I should visit Rajasthan, Jaipur, Udaipur, so maybe next year. So yeah, so it was amazing, and I hope you will like this vlog, you will like this video. And if you do, and also please guys, do comment that which cuisine should I try, because Rajasthani cuisine I liked it. And please do comment, which cuisine I should try, and I will try, and also I will make a blog on this. So please guys, do comment. And if you like this video, you know what to do. You have to just like, share and subscribe, please. And I just need your support, please guys. Please subscribe my channel and give some love. And one more thing, life is too short, so you know, करो, कुछ भी करो, जो करना है करो, जो मन है वही करो लाइफ पे, because it's very short. You don't know कि कब क्या हो जाए. So I guess you should just live your life, that's it. और जो लोग हैं जो हमेशा दूसरे की लाइफ के पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, तो I just want to tell you that please दूसरे की लाइफ के पीछे पड़ना बंद कीजिए और अपने लाइफ को जिए, खुशियाँ बांटे सब में. And that's it. So I'll see you next time. See you, bye bye, and stay tuned. Happy soul.